when there is a transaction. So their plan is to build a kind of an NFT marketplace. But when there is a transaction, the color holders get paid based on the percentage of that NFT's primary colors, and then the fees get distributed. So
Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today I want to talk about a new, cool, innovative project, and that is Color.Museum. As you know, I typically don't cover a lot of NFT stuff on my channel, but I saw this project and I was like, this is pretty innovative. This is pretty cool. So what do we have? We have Color.Museum. They're pushing an early access function. I will leave my link down below to get on the wait list. And then that wait list allows you to hopefully get on the white list to mint an NFT. And you're like, well, what is the NFT? Well, the NFT literally is going to be a color. Sounds pretty simple, huh? So basically, you choose a color, you give it an identity, you give it a name. So let's talk about this. There's 16.7 million colors available in the RGB color space, but only 10,000 will become a color NFT. And you're like, okay, so I got a JPEG of a color. What am I going to do with that? Well, you're going to give it a name. You're going to get describe it, and then you're going to own it. Now, what's the rub? Here's the rub. Okay, this is where this gets pretty cool. Earn royalties from colors, and you're like, what? So let's look at this example of a Bored Ape, 398,000 pixels. They do an analysis of the picture, and then they break down the contents of the color based on the pixels. Now, here's the cool thing. When there is a transaction, so their plan is to build a kind of an NFT marketplace, but when there is a transaction, the color holders get paid based on the percentage of that NFT's primary colors, and then the fees get distributed. So in this example, they break down this Bored Ape Yacht Club selling, and then the different colors, and then what the divs will be. So in essence, and then they're talking about a launch pad and some other stuff, and then a possible early wait list. So this is the cool thing about this. It's going to be interesting. Now, the only problem I can see with this is that there's only 10,000 of these, okay? So what would make a person want to sell their NFT on this marketplace if they don't hold one of the color NFTs? So why would I sell my punk or whatever high valued NFT on this? So that's going to be an interesting concept of how they're going to drive volume. But these, now you're like, well, if there's 16 million colors, what happens? I guess there's some approximation to the nearest closest color when this color breakout gets going, and then of course there's some thresholds in place where those colors roll off. So yeah, this is going to be a very interesting project. I got on the list, and so far I think there is about, what was it, 20 colors? Let's see. I'm going to click on one of these. I just had it a second ago. Oh, here's the gallery. So you go over here to the gallery, and you see these colors. So this is going to be cool. So like orange, white, but not really. Actually, I was trying to click on there. Bitcoin orange. Very cool. So you get to name the color whatever you want. But now, this is, this is basically, they have to build their platform and stuff, and who knows if it's going to be a fork of something of, what else? $607 million in NFT volume. 24 hours. Let's get our slice of fees. So again, in a nutshell, Color.Museum is looking to build a platform where NFT stakeholders would get dividends from the ratio and percentage of colors of NFTs that are being sold on their site. So, as far as the team behind this, right now, I don't know a ton. If they have some socials, I'll post those down below. I think they have a Discord, and let's see. Yeah, but I'll find the socials and put them in there. You know, as always, this to me again is a divide, something a little different from what we see from the normal mint. So check it out. Color.Museum. Very, very cool. So anyways, this is Cryptoslo. Hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, if you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.